Our idea for the 2023 Hackalytics is StockFlock, and the team is Dylan, Michael, and Pawan. First, the concept and progress. The concept is a stock market index that leverages the performance of individual day traders and their portfolios, which weighs each individual trader depending on how successful their trades are to form an overall index. And it's developed with the goal of being an online platform where users can sync their portfolios, view the index in the leaderboard, as well as a forum. We already developed the backend using Python, which includes the weighting algorithm we use to calculate users' weights. We're currently working upon the front end, and we created front-end mockups. It will be developed using the MERN stack. It's going to be hosted on StockFlock.tech. First, the backend. This shows how we take CSV files, which we use as stock market information for proof of concept, and we merge them in a way we're able to process them in an efficient manner. Furthermore, this shows how we're able to create individual users and how we're going to set up the database schema. All this information will be stored on the MongoDB database, which we will use to gather data, do calculations, and in the end, display that information. So that's how we set up an individual user's account. The next part is the actual algorithm we use to calculate weightings, which depends on how well you've done on previous trades. Using this weighting, we can determine how important an individual user is to be weighted in the overall index. On the front end, we created mockups for the three main pages. This is the main page, which includes the overall performance of the index that we create and calculate, as well as the top stocks that contribute towards that index in terms of how many traders bought into them and how influential they are. The second page is the leaderboard that has the top performers and the top contributors towards the index, which includes their all-time gain, total value, and their gain in the previous week. The final feature is a forum discussion that allows users to discuss their ideas on the stock market and how they're performing. At the end of the day, we're trying to create a democratic way to create an index based on individual traders and not just stocks, having a more innovative view towards how indexes should be created into the future. Thank you.